Hey guys, what is this? Peace, love, and hair grease. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be it's kind of something different. I actually just got back from vacation and I had to unpack, and I was like, what the hey, let's film what's in my makeup travel bag that I took with me to Disneyland. And I have it all in this bag right here. Shout out to my best friend Cheyenne for giving me this bag for my birthday, I believe, one of my birthdays, or for Christmas. She's the best. Love you, girl. But yeah, so I just thought while I'm unpacking, let's just film what I took to Disneyland. And it's kind of basically what I always take with me. Some products do change, like eyeshadow palettes or foundation, as always, but this is kind of what I just bought with me on my recent vacation. So let's just dive into this bad boy. Now, before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Oh, eyelash, get off me. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell notification. Kind of looks like this over here in this general area. That way YouTube will let you know when I upload and you never get to miss a video of mine. And give this video a thumbs up as always. That way I know you guys kind of like these videos. Very something different, you know, different. So opening it up, I don't have an order, to be honest. I kind of just like throw everything in here. As you can tell, everything is pretty much thrown in here. So let's just jump from the top. Let's start off with the easiest things here. This is not lipstick. Did I only take two? I think I only took two. Okay. This is literally like I packed my stuff from the hotel, and this is my first time opening this bad boy. So we're just gonna go with it. So first things here, I did take the two lip glosses that I have, the Ultra Satin Lip Kathleen Lights X ColourPop Dreamy from their Dream Street collaboration, and then I also took the I love colors. I love Sarai Dose of Colors and Barely There lip gloss. The three palettes that I did take was the I Love Sarai Dose of Colors. Very pretty. And then I also took the Dream Street palette and the Zodiac palette from ColourPop, both from Kathleen Lights. I actually will put up my look that I had for Disneyland. Very simple, very easy. And I just wanted to create something that was not too out there for my vacation. And these three palettes are actually very, very good. And I used... I just thought that the reason why I took these three palettes was, one, because they're very tiny and they're very small, compact, bam. Two, because they all basically have like colors that can work off of each other's palette, and if I needed a color from this palette, I would take it, and so forth and so on. So these three little palettes came in clutch over this past weekend. Shout out to the brands, because they was amazing, and to the YouTubers that created that, because it's also amazing. Now, I did take, of course, my CoverGirl loose setting powder, duh. And then I also have just my brushes here. My face brushes, the Morphe RG8, my E41, my PK14, my R3. Those are my face brushes thus far. Now, I do keep a beauty blender, but it's not in here. It's actually in a separate bag of its own. And usually when I travel, I keep it in a separate bag of its own. However, I did forget my beauty blender, or beauty sponge, whatever it's called, this time when we went. So I actually had to go to Target, and I bought the L'Oreal Blend Artist Infallible little, this is what it looks like, little pink sponge. And I've actually bought this before, and I really do like it. Although I feel like they changed something, or I just can't remember that good, because this one's really, really soft and really, really squishy. So if they change something, L'Oreal, keep doing it, because I just like the way that it blends out my makeup, and that it feels like the way it blends out my makeup and how it feels on my skin. It's very nice. It's not as hard. It's, from what I can remember, I thought that their old one was a little bit more denser than this, but I just think it's very soft and very, very squishy. So let's keep doing what you're doing, L'Oreal. The two, what's it called? Concealers that I did take was the Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand, of course, and my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Those were the two concealers that I took. And then I do have a couple of eye brushes here that I did take. I have a lot of eye brushes, Anissa, brushes. All right, let's just jump into this. So, all of these are practically Morphe, and I don't care, except for these two. All of these are Morphe. These two are from my Profusion palettes that I got, and they are dual-ended, both with a fluffy end and then a flat-sided one. Those are really good. And then I also took my RG8. Oh, this is another Profusion brush. Profusion, your brush is bomb. My RG18, I took the M411, of course, an oldie but a goodie, or a goodie, should I say. R442. I also took my E17 brush, my favorite highlighter brush at the moment, the E61, an e.l.f. brush, my M576. I love this brush. Like, this brush just, yes, give me life. Yes, that's always coming with me. And then I also took the E26, the R9, R39. I don't think I used it though, but you know, you can never have too many brushes to pack. Never. And then I have my R35 and as well as my E27. Bought a lot of blending brushes, but like I said, you can never have too many brushes. Ever. Like ever. Not in my world, at least. And then I also bought my two little eyebrow pencils that I use to do my eyebrows. And I use the Morphe M207. And then a little spoolie. Alright, what else we have in here? I have two makeup setting sprays, the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and the Milani Make It Last. I am not joking when I tell you that I put both of these on, mix them together, put one on and then the other, and my makeup lasted all day at Disneyland. All day. Like 24, not 24 hours because I didn't go for 24 hours, but literally we got to Disneyland at 8 o'clock. We left at 12, I want to say, because it was hot as balls outside. Like, it was literally 93 degrees and like 40-something% humidity, so it was hot as shit. But my makeup stayed on because I believe that I mixed these two and of everything like kind of else I did differently in my foundation. But so from 8 to about 12 o'clock, 12:30, I believe, is when we got back to the hotel. I took a nap, woke up, took a shower because I was sweaty as hell. We got back to the hotel like 12:30. Okay, so let me back up. Rewind. Labor Day is over. I went to Disneyland from 8 to about 12:30 is when we got back to the hotel. Took a shower, took a little nap, woke up, did my makeup again, went back to Disneyland around 5:30ish, till about 10. And it was still hot as shit outside. A little bit of breeze, but it was still hot as shit. So again, I mixed these two and my makeup looked flawless. Flawless. So if you guys have these in your collection, give it a shot. Do one, do the other, or vice versa. Do this one, then this one. But I think that it looked really, really good. Spot on. Of course, I took mascara with me, the Scandalized Retro Glam by Rimmel. Primer that I took was the Tatcha, the Water Cream Hydration Primer, whatever you want to call it. And then I did take a few... Oh, this is my brow pomade, the NYX Tame and Frame. Love it. And then I did take the Ulta Contouring Kit. Okay. This bad boy here, as well as my Butter Bronzer, Physicians Formula. Love it. Love it. And then I can't go anywhere without this Wet n Wild. This banana shade is just everything. Like, it legit is. It's life. It's good. It's really, really good. And then the two highlighters that I took, of course, the ColourPop Kathleen Lights Zodiac collection in On the Cusp and Fire. I mixed both of these. So what I did was I put Fire on my cheekbones right here, and then I put On the Cusp here in, not like I put on my forehead, but on my nose, on my chin, and on my Cupid's bow. I look like fucking glowing diamond. It was great. It was awesome. And then the eyeliner that I took was my NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely Extreme Shine eyeliner in Jet Black. And then the three foundations that I took was my Kat Von D Locket, and this is in the shade Light 49 Neutral, or Light Neutral. Yeah, Light 49 Neutral. I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And then I also bought the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And this, I'm in the shade Buff Bisque for the Wet n Wild. And then for the Milani, I am in the shade Light Beige. So that is it, guys. That is literally all that I took with me. These are the highlighters. And that is like literally it. Everything is gone. So I really hoped you guys all enjoyed this. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, not so makeup, or not a makeup tutorial, or a vlog, which I am going to put one up of this trip. It will have a little bit of this trip, but mostly just kind of what I'm doing with my life. But that is basically it, guys. Like I mentioned, some things do change. Foundation changes, lipsticks change, setting sprays change, eyeshadow palettes change in my travel bag. Like, it's just, everything is changing depending on what I feel like and what I think that I would actually want to use while I'm over there. But that was it for California, Disneyland. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But I did film this eye look, and that will be up after this video. So go ahead and check that out when it comes out. But that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed. Just a quick, simple video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.